Before we start working on poster layout, I want to show you the difference between dynamic guides and ones that don't have on the dynamic guide. This one does not have on a dynamic guide, so you don't know once you've pulled this box all the way down. So that is without the dynamic guide being turned on. So it's a little more difficult to know exactly where things are. If you turn on the dynamic guides, which is under view, and you see dynamic guides, then you'll notice when you go to pull this down, it will give you that setting. It'll let you know. Here's some other little tips inside of this. If you look at the dynamic guides here, you can go in and choose several different things. We'll choose the snap to grid, so it'll do that with any objects that you have on the slide. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure to turn on the regular guides. And also then we'll turn on where it has the dynamic guides, which are separate from the guides itself. The dynamic guides pop up whenever you're actually using some graphic on the page on the slide itself. So we'll turn on the dynamic guides, but just a few little pointers here on this. If you right click on the actual guide itself, you can notice you can have several choices. One would be to change the colors. And this way you can use the guides for different purposes. You can also choose to delete at this location too.